This is my 2012 Dodge Journey, and it's leaking oil again. Got 126,885 miles on this thing. I've had to replace this freaking oil cooler like 6 times. See if we can see it better over here. Kinda. But the place you can see it the most is underneath. All over the bottom of the car. All over. No oil on the oil pan. That's totally fine. But not the transmission pan. So what it does is it goes in the valley of the engine. It's the front of the engine. That's the back of the engine. It runs down the back of the engine, through the valley, onto the transmission. So we're gonna replace this yet again. I actually did the seals first. That fixed it for like a minute. And then I think I did the seals a second time and I was like, okay, that should fix it. Maybe I messed up the first time. And then I was like, to hell with it. I am going to replace the whole oil cooler, which I did. And finally, I think I found a permanent solution, I hope. Inside this box is a Dorman oil cooler housing. I hope this fixes the problem. Let's get the old one off. So this whole valley is just full of just oil. So I'm gonna get some rags, put them in the intakes on the heads, and get to cleaning up. Well, that whole thing was a waste of my time. So, story is, I had to get a new oil cooler because my other one didn't fit. So, yeah, that's what happened. Well, that's it for the journey. I got it done, and it's not leaking oil for now. Hopefully that's the last time we have to change the oil cooler, or at least the oil cooler O-rings. Thanks for liking the videos, thank you for subscribing and clicking that bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.